What if someone doesn't have power? What do you mean? Well, let's say your dad, for example, is in the hospital and he can't make decisions for himself. He has lost capacity, Alzheimer's, dementia, coma, car wreck, something where he just doesn't have the capacity to make his own decisions anymore. Doctor walks in, needs someone to make a decision for that person, but you don't have the authority. Same situation. Dad's been laid out in a hospital or hospice or a home or long-term care or something for a month, 2 months. His bills need to get paid. He owes the utilities. He owes water. He owes taxes for his income tax return, for property taxes, etc. He needs to get money out of the bank. He needs to get money from his investments. What happens? If you don't have the power, that can be problematic. We can talk about all sorts of different penalties, interest, fees that rack up over time due to unpaid taxes, bills, etc. All you have to do ahead of time, Dad, before this happens, is make sure that you have a power of attorney. There's what I generally call financial powers of attorney. They're general powers of attorney, durable power of attorney, etc. But they generally deal with financial stuff. Who can make decisions for you if you can't make your decisions anymore? And then there's the medical power of attorney, also known as a healthcare power of attorney, who can make medical decisions for you if you can't make your own decisions. Sometimes on the financial side, people will give people the ability to make financial decisions now, like to help me or help Dad manage his affairs. And sometimes it's a springing power. It only comes into effect if Dad is incapacitated. It's very important that you get this done. It's pretty cheap and cost effective to get it done up front. If you have to do it behind the scenes, that gets really, really expensive. We're talking thousands, maybe over $10,000 to get approval to get that done, because if you don't have capacity, Dad can't sign that document anymore. So you want to get this done ahead of time. If you're above 50, you definitely want to have one of these. I encourage it for anybody over 18. Even college kids should have this, because if a college kid gets in a car wreck, that doctor very well may not and probably won't share any information with the parents of that child, because they don't have medical power of attorney, and that child is now an adult over the age of 18. So get this for your college kid. Help your parents. Encourage them to get this. Get this for yourself. If you're a parent in your 30s, 40s, 50s, you should have one of these, one of each, the medical and the financial, general, durable. You want to make sure you choose someone who's trustworthy, who's not going to run off with your money, who's going to make good, honest decisions to be an incredible fiduciary. I'm Mike Massey. I have an estate planning firm, and we've helped over 1,000 families before and after death with their estate planning. Click below to learn more information, or simply call us. Look us up at Mike Massey Law. We'd love to have a conversation with you.